Hey y'all, welcome back to another Swatch That Palette video. If you are new here, every week I'm going to be swatching a different palette, showing you all the colors, the pigmentation, and just giving my overall review on the palette. This week I'm going to be swatching Tarte's new Busy Gal Goals palette, which actually just launched, so it hasn't been in store yet because of all this craziness going on. So I thought it would be the perfect palette to show y'all next. So if you want to see what's inside, then just keep watching. So here is what the outside of the palette looks like. I love that pop of pink, but in my opinion, Tarte has some of the cutest packaging, so I knew it would be cute. And then here is the inside. It is actually an eye and cheek palette, so it does have this blush and highlighter along with these eyeshadows. So let's go ahead and start swatching. I'm going to go ahead and swatch the blush and highlight first. I'm going to try and do it closer this time. I don't know if y'all watched my first video. I swatched a Morphe palette and I started here and then ended up having to go down here, but this one's not as big, so I should be able to do it all here. So here is the blush. I am actually wearing the blush and highlighter today. I think that blush color is so pretty and it will look good on a lot of different skin tones. And then there's the highlighter. Don't know if it's really showing up good on camera because it's really close to my skin tone right here. Let me try and maybe swatch it up here where I'm a little darker. There, I think you can kind of see it right there. I don't know if I will ever get not awkward with my swatches, so bear with me. So this is the shade called Self-Made, which is a really pretty kind of gold shimmer. That one's really pretty. This one is called Role Model, which is a really good transition shade. This one is called Go Getter. Kind of a reddy brown color. That's a good crease color. This shade is called Got This. This is the next row. And it's kind of a pinky shimmer. That one's really pretty too. This one is called Overtime. It is a iridescent color. It's kind of a green, kind of purpley color. This one is called Hustle, which is a really pretty hunter green. Okay, and the last row, this one is called On the Move. I'll go ahead and start down here. I love this color too. It's a really pretty kind of pinky nude color. This one is called Gram It. And then the last shade is called TGIF. And here is the whole palette. So that is the new Tarte Eye and Cheek palette. Overall, the pigmentation is just as good as all of Tarte's other eyeshadows, and I really like the packaging too. I think it is cute, and it's also really sturdy, and I like that it has a big mirror, so it is perfect for traveling, especially since it has the blush and highlighter, so it has everything you need. But this is available on Tarte's website and on Ulta's website, so I will link it down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check it out. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make a new video every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.